Oh, hello there, it's Clutch Theory. Alright guys, I get it, you work so hard, whatever you do at school or work, and Mondays just seem to be like, I don't even want to talk about it right now. But we're gonna talk about it. What I really want to do today is ease your mind and give you the confidence you need to get into every Monday with the purpose, a plan, and with motivation to actually get through it. So here we go. First off, try seeing Monday as an opportunity to achieve your goals. This is something called the fresh start effect, where whenever it's the first of something, so for example, the first day of the year, the month, the week, or any milestone, that fresh start allows us to put our past imperfections and failures behind us, and then we start anew. So use Monday as a weekly reset. In case you messed up on your goals sometime during the week, you can say, all right, I always got Monday, and you really do have Monday. Okay, so you have that, but now let's talk about some things you could do on Monday or beforehand to ease all that stress and make Mondays a little more enjoyable. First of all, make sure you're not burned out. A lot of us work so hard during the week and we work even harder on the weekends just to catch up that we enter Monday, the beginning of the week, drained. So make sure that you're taking care of yourself and you're actually resting on the weekends and on Monday. Now I know this sounds crazy because Monday there's no time to rest. No, you have to give yourself some time to rest on Mondays. You work hard every day and you deserve rest. Mondays are no different. Another thing you could do to prevent all that dread is to plan on Friday. Now I know this sounds insane because on Friday we think of, oh, that's our relaxed day. We go out on Fridays. But if you actually plan on Friday, it actually gives you the weekend to rest. And here's the thing, not many people rest on the weekends. What? Yes, so use the weekends for rest and try not to think about work as much on the weekend. Set aside some time, give yourself an hour or 2 hours of blocks in the weekend. But outside of that, don't even touch or think about work. Now last thing, on Monday, just go out and have some fun. You don't need to go to a party or anything, but just something that you love to do, some hobbies, some time with friends. Make Monday fun again. Seriously, look, I only have 7 days in a week. And if I were me, I'd want to have all 7 be awesome, not just 6 of them, right? So there you go. It all comes down to perspective and managing your time. This will allow Mondays to not feel so awful. And you'll actually be able to enjoy that day of the week once again. That's it for today, guys. Clutch Theory out.